Hey everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Mo, and today I'll be showing you guys how to make chili oil.
Chili oil is infused with herbs, spices, and chilies. In Vietnam, pho is typically eaten with fresh chilies, but here in the US, chili oil is a popular condiment. While there are many different types of chili oil, I will be showing you a recipe that I serve in my restaurant. It is packed with the same aromatic spices used to make a delicious pho broth. We will start by chopping a handful of ginger, shallots, garlic, and green onions. They don't need to be cut too small as they will be removed from the oil later on. We'll also include some bay leaves. For spices, we are going to use Sichuan peppercorns. These have a mild citrus flavor and can make your tongue feel numb. We also use Chinese cinnamon and star anise. Next, we are going to prepare our chilies. The first chili I'm using is a mild, dried Chinese chili. It's best to wash these first. Remove the dried chilies from the water and cook on high heat to remove all moisture. This will also create a delicious smoky flavor. These smell so good when cooking. Remove the chilies from the heat. Gently pound the chilies to break them apart and release more flavor. The chili is ready to be mixed. Add in ground Thai chilies for heat and finely ground Chinese chilies for flavor and a deep red color. Add vegetable oil into a large pot or wok and heat until it starts to bubble. I'm preparing a large batch, so I'm using 48 ounces. Add in the ginger, garlic, shallots, green onions, Sichuan peppercorns, star anise, bay leaf, and cinnamon. Do not add in the chili. Stir gently for about 15 minutes until the green onions become a golden brown color. Watch the heat level so it doesn't burn. When finished, remove the herbs and spices from the oil using a strainer. Carefully ladle or pour your hot oil into the mixed chilies. Season with a little sugar and salt. You can also add a little sesame oil for more flavor. Mix and then your chili oil is ready. These store well in jars and make great gifts. This may look like a lot of work, but it's actually quite easy. The chili oil is delicious, lasts a long time, and is amazing on everything. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for your support.